In English, we might say, hey, he can't see. Well, in sign language, we'd go like this. Okay, let's explore how to sign, hey, he can't see. Here is a sign for, hey. Okay, use your dominant hand. I'm right-handed. Just nice open hand shape here, fingers spread apart. Put it about here and just wave it. From the side. Other side. Hey. Front again. Hey. So imagine a situation, you're dealing with a deaf person, right? And now imagine, it's difficult, but imagine there's no sound, right? So you can't say, hey, psst, hey, hey, right? So whoever you're talking with or signing with, they're focused on something else. Something else has got their attention visually. So we need a visual cue to reattract their attention. So look at the hand. Aha. Now, the more you deal with the deaf community, deaf people in general, their visual ability is astounding. Nothing less than astounding. I remember growing up with my brother. We're in the same situation. We've been in the same situation for the same amount of time. But he would pick up things, visual cues, small details that I was like, oh, interesting. His visual ability was just incredible. You know, they say that if you have only 4 of the 5 senses, or if you lose a sense or you don't have all 5, the other ones get stronger. I believe it. I've seen my brother do it. They even say that deaf people are some of the best drivers in the world because they're so visual. Okay, so when we're talking with someone who's deaf, we're signing with them and they're focused on someone else or something else, we're going to give them a visual cue. And we're just going to go, hey. Now, you're going to have to use your own judgment, because if you're constantly going like this in someone's face, it's annoying. So just use your common sense and judgment to fit the situation. You might not need to keep going like this unless it's an emergency. You know, hey, a house is burning down. I'm going to get in your business because we need to know. Or, you know, hey, I need to talk to you about something, but it's not a big deal. Should be a little patient. Okay, so we have, hey. He. Here is the sign for he. Index finger, he. Or if he's over there, he. If he's not here, just sign off to the side, he. Can't. Here's a sign for can't. We're going to use our index fingers. Ba-ba. I'm right-handed. With my non-dominant hand, my left hand, I'm going to put it down there. Right hand, I'm going to take the tip of the finger and just flick down. So I'm touching this one time. Can't. We can add in a shaking head to show, it's negative, cannot. From the side. Other side. Can't. Okay. All right, let's go for C. Here is a sign for C. All right, use your dominant hand. I'm right-handed. We have the letter V, or the peace sign, or we can say the number 2. We're going to turn it around, palm facing in, put it about here, and just go out. C. C. From the side, C. Other side, C. All right, we have C. All right, now the fun part. Let's put all the signs together. So sign with me. Let's go nice and slow. Hey, he can't see. All right, just imagine you're in a situation, some sort of stadium, sporting event. There's a lot of people, or there's something that's blocking this person's vision, so it just fits too. Or if you need to change it, well, we can change it to, hey, we can't see. Would you get out of the way? Get out of the way, right? Hey, we can't see. All right, so in this situation, let's sign it again. Hey, he can't see. Let's speed up. Let's sign a little bit quicker. Okay, wonderful. In this lesson, we talked about how to sign, hey, he can't see.